What is that?
A blue iron.
It's Ted's visor for his helmet.
Have you opened up the helmet yet?
No, not yet.
Well, I opened it, but
You did?
Open it for the camera. I look at other people's mail all the time.
What? What makes it nice? It just looks kind of cheap.
It's
like
just tinted.
It's
like
nice,
look through it.
because it looks.
Yeah, I can see. Yep, it's brown.
Isn't that cool?
Should we try out Ted's helmet before he wears it? Oh, what if he dropped it? I already know what it is.
What would Ted do? I don't see Ted getting black.
When in doubt, whip it out. Carbon fibre.
Why didn't I think about that?
Dude, this is nice.
Try it on.
He's gonna get fired. Oh, another Model S disassembled? Russell's back there? This can only mean one thing. Russell,
Yes.
what are we doing?
We are taking it apart.
Why'd you say it like
I
that?
don't know. My customer service voice.
1000%. Yeah.
Hello, welcome to EVS.
Why is Batman there?
It's not Batman, it's a pair of glasses.
So what color are we wrapping this car?
It's a two-tone. Top half is gonna be a different color.
What do you mean?
I don't know. Boss lady came back and was like, "Hey, don't wrap these yet." I said, "Alright." Then she said, "It's gonna be a different color." I said, "Alright, cool." She said, "And the mirrors." I said, "I bet." So,
Let's see. Matte dark gray. Russell, come hither and open thy box. Oh my god.
that's why I don't call me Russell the Love Muscle for nothing. Russell the Love Muscle.
Cool. Have we done this color before? I think we have done this color before. Not on Tesla. I don't think. Maybe we don't. I think we have done it on Tesla.
There's satin right here.
Oh, maybe you're right. Slap it again. Bumpers are coming off. Trim pieces are coming off. Everything that we can take off, we'll take off.
So you grab your squeegee and you just done.
Matte gray is one of our popular choices when it comes to vinyl wraps, and it's pretty easy to see why. It works very well with practically all cars in terms of accenting all the body lines. It's a nice sporty color, and it's subtle enough to daily drive if you don't like all the attention you might get with like a bright color. On an S like this, you get a bit of a futuristic vibe, which is perfect for a Tesla. So the top half of the car is wrapped in gloss black for a two-tone look, and it complements the already black accents that are on the car. But since the top half wasn't designed to be a two-tone, we customized our own wrap lines to make it flow smoothly back into the top portion of the windows, the A-pillars, and even the mirrors. To finish the whole thing up, we ceramic coated the exterior for an extra pop of shine while still keeping the matte effect. Highly recommend doing this for all matte wraps since they don't have that natural fingerprint resistance you get with gloss wraps. Let me know what you think of this wrap in the comments below. Russell, you want to sign us off on the vlog?
Thanks for tuning in, guys.
Hope you guys like that wrap project. We have more coming up. We're actually working on one right now, as you can see. If you want us to wrap your car, hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. We will see you next time. You want to try that again, Russell?
I don't look like a homeless person on there.
You're not homeless, Russell.
I know I'm not homeless.